I have added my key for OpenAI in these connections here, and I have this under setting and connections. So let's see how to get there, because I see that there is because if we go from here, settings, connections, we see that this is a different connections. This one was like admin panel, and then settings, connections. Since that this is the admin connections level, and this other is my user settings, user setting connections, I see this. But for the admin setting connections is that I have put my OpenAI key, because we're gonna be selling this product. Maybe we can disable soon as well this change of model. So we have here how to select the different models. We can get rid of that in a moment, when we're gonna package for sale. So now that we have, oh, and we can do also the test here, because now I'm connected, so I can ask him things now, like I'm talking now. There's a bridge between my OpenWebUI and my chat GPT OpenAI. So we can ask, what is the time in Antarctica now? How do I write Antarctica? Antarctica is spread across all time zones. Okay. Antarctica, you're referring to? Okay. It's New Zealand and Chilean. Okay, interesting. So anyway, we see that is connected. We have now our hello world for LangChain, that it was already working as well. We already have vibe coded that hello world to LangChain before, and that is this file, this hello, please introduce yourself briefly. So it's running on this Python directory that we are preparing for our virtual machine. Let's just remember what that thing does. Is just so let's change directory for the virtual machine, VM1. Here we see hello world LangChain, hello LangChain. So I don't have an environment here. What environment is this thing running? What was the name? Doesn't find it. Okay. No virtual machine. No virtual machine. Let's see. So let's see this one. Yeah, I'll try this VM, but I thought it was called something else. Anyway, let's try that VM. And now let's say for hello LangChain. So let's call it Python hello LangChain. So yeah, it's connected to OpenAI, and it's hello LangChain. We just basically send a prompt via code. You're a helpful cloud assistant. What is LangChain in one sentence? Assist you with tasks, as we provide recommendations and engaging. LangChain is a blockchain platform that focuses. Okay, so it's describing itself and is giving an answer. So LangChain is connected. We have those two things. Now what we want is to connect our OpenWebUI unauthenticated user with LangChain before we start our ingestion. So let's ask this guy, let's ask Claude. Okay, no need to keep memory. Let's ask Claude to now I have OpenWebUI running and LangChain running. Python, how to make a hello world that combines both. You'll need to set up custom function tool that OpenWebUI can call, which uses LangChain under the hood. Custom function in OpenWebUI. And it gives me two methods or simple API bridge. Create a simple Flask API that bridges OpenWebUI and LangChain. Method 3, let's evaluate what is the best one. In this lesson, we took another step in building your AI skills. If you want to go further, join my free Skool community. I will help you build your own AI agent step by step. And if you are serious about monetizing, check out my masterclass where we create a complete virtual assistant that answers and makes calls, takes bookings, and sends SMS confirmations, ready to sell as a service. Join the community and I will see you on the inside. In this lesson, we took another step in building your AI skills. If you want to go further, join my free Skool community. I will help you build your own AI agent step by step. And if you are serious about monetizing, check out my masterclass where we create a complete virtual assistant that answers and makes calls, takes bookings, and sends SMS confirmations, ready to sell as a service. Join the community and I will see you on the inside.